Hello, Ed. This is Evan Roberts for the CIS 220 class, Object-Oriented Programming, for week 6, I believe. And this week was to take your screen painter, basically, and make some screens for our Enigma machine program. So here's the code that you gave us. Kind of ran through it. I typed it all out by hand because copy-paste wasn't being friendly, which is, that's fair. So I went through it all, added in the colon down here because we forgot it, but we figured that out during the lecture. So as you can see, we can go ahead and run in the terminal, just for now. Hit any key, name the program. We're going to do enc.py, author, Evan, date, October 4th, synopsis. This will paint a screen. What do you call the def? Enc screen. Go. As you see, it was created up here, and it has the workfile.txt. So essentially this gives all the print lines, the header, and the return. So right now, running this will do nothing because there's, nothing to tell it to actually run. It's just the def. The can't think of the word right now. The thing you tell it what to do. So if you go down here and add enc screen no parameters, then we can go ahead and close that one and run this Python file in the terminal. It's going to do nothing because I'm a fool and I forgot to take it outside of it. That should work a bit better. There we go. It goes ahead and prints it out there. So if we want to actually go ahead and run this not right inside the Code Studio, we can go ahead and just close that down for now. I'll open up my files. It's just where I have everything. So we can run this in the console. Enter, name the program, encscreen.py. Author, Evan, today's date, October 4th. Synopsis, this will, I didn't type, I swear, paint a screen. Def, enc screen. Go. And it creates it right in here. So let's go ahead and look at it with idle. Again, it looks pretty much the same. Still, it won't do anything if you run it because there's still no actual commands to do that. If we go down here, type enc screen, no parameters. Go ahead and run it now. Run the module. Yes, save it. And we have a nice little screen. So, just writing up some more screens, more workfile.txts, whole lot of fun. But it's kind of nice to be able to see the programs actually work and how they run. Just overall good time. So that's it for the week.